Welcome back to 60 Days of Google Tips for Educators from WallEd Tech. Today we're on tip number 20, and that will be using version history in Google Docs. Now, version history can be used in any Google document, whether it's Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Version history, if you are a teacher, whether you're doing something in your own personal files or you're assisting a student who has messed up one of their own documents, this can be the most important thing you have. Let's start off by saying we have got to quit thinking about documents in the old Microsoft way. When you used Microsoft, if you created a Word document like this Google Doc, when you saved it, if you changed something, you had to resave it, and then you lost everything from the original version. So you were always having to save, change, save, change, save, change. Heaven forbid you forget to save and you lose everything you changed. So with Google, we got to start thinking about the way Google does things in the cloud, and that is with version history. So you notice I have a document here. It's already set up. If I go to File on the toolbar and go to Version History, I can see the version history. And this shows me everything that's been done to this document. And if you have collaborators working on it, so if this was you and a student or you and another teacher, it would show you the color of the person who made the change. So if something happened to this document and you needed to revert to an earlier version, you could come back here, click on when this was originally created, and you could restore it to that original version. Now, something useful for you is if you create a template and you know it's going to get used, but you want to be able to go back to the original version each time, go to your version history, and they have name a current version. So I could call this my original template. And so if I created this and I'm going to use it in class, let's say I teach 3 English classes, and I'm going to use this document in each English class, but I don't want to show the next class the work that we did in the previous classes as I show this on the screen. What I can do is I can come in here and we can make whatever changes we want to this document as we're talking about it. And then when class is over, I can come back here, say File, Version History, see my version history, and then here it is named. Here's where I want to go back to the original one for the next class. I click on Original Template, click Restore this version, restore, and boom, I'm ready for the next class. So version history can save you a lot of headaches. If you mess something up, you can go back. For me, it was students accidentally deleting links or deleting images they needed to do work, and all is not lost. Simply go to File, Version History, find the last time it was used when it wasn't messed up, restore that version, and the students will think you're magic. Hope that helps. That was tip 20. We'll see you next time.